Hello sir, I'm Adam. Today I want to introduce how to use this device with the app in your smartphone. First, we turn on your Bluetooth in your smartphone. Okay, it's on. Then we turn on the app. Okay, so we wait for the. Okay, now we put the button of the top of the device. Okay, you see here it is already connected. Okay, so here we have 6 choices that you can choose. First, let me introduce let me take one for example. Here, we can set the time. For example, I set 5 seconds, then we set the timer. Okay, we wait for 5 seconds. Okay, it rings, it allows you on the smartphone. And here, we can set the temperature. Here, we can choose so many kinds of food. We take the beef for example. Here, we can set the temperature here. So we take 31 for example. And confirm, we set it. And here, let me hold on the point and make it to 31 degrees. Okay, it allow you also. And also even you turn back on the app on the home page of the smartphone, it also notice you. Let me show you. Here we take the beef for example 31 degree. Here we set it. Oh, sorry. Here we take the beef 31 degree for example. We set it and back to the home page. Okay, let me hold it. See here, the app also notice you even you are on the home page. Okay, that's all. Thank you.